Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set screensaver in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC or in your laptop and then you want to enable screensaver, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Just click on this window icon here, or you can press window button from your keyboard. Then select settings, and in settings, just look for personalization option here. Just select personalization, and you might get a lot of settings. You just have to select lock screen from here. Just select lock screen, and under lock screen you will see the option of screensaver. Just select this, and here just tap on this none option. You might see some screensavers. So there's a 3D text. If you have selected this, so you might get this type 3D text on written windows, or you can also select this blank. It's just a blank screen. So you can select the bubbles from here. It will enable bubbles from a corner of your screen. So you can also select the Mistify as the photos. You can select any photo which you want to, or you can also select ribbons from here. So let's say I'm going to select ribbons, then tap on this apply, and then tap on OK. So once it's done, your screensaver is now set on your PC. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.